Welcome to Conceptual Learning Academy with MCQs on security measures. Today we are covering repeated and most important MCQs on security measures for Assistant Director ASF. याद रखिए सिक्योरिटी मेजर्स फॉर असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर एएसएफ के 100 एमसीक्यूज के सीरीज़ का ये दूसरा वीडियो है। अगर आप बाकी वीडियोस देखना चाहते हैं तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में उनका लिंक दिया गया है। मेहरबानी करके आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते जाइए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. What is meant by Director General as per ASF Act 1975? Option 1, Commander in Charge ASF. Option 2, Executive Director ASF. Option 3, ASF Assistant to Prime Minister. Option 4, none of the above. The correct answer is Commander in Charge ASF. The meaning of Director General as per ASF Act 1975 is Commander in Charge ASF. Question number 2. Officers and members of ASF to be subject to the dash. Option 1, Civil Servant Rule 1973. Option 2, Police Order 2002. Option 3, Pakistan Army Act 1952. Option 4, Code of Criminal Procedure 1898. The correct answer is Pakistan Army Act 1952. Question number 3. A member of ASF is deemed to have been dismissed from the force if he is sentenced to imprisonment for dash days or more. Option 1, 30 days. Option 2, 60 days. Option 3, 90 days. Option 4, 120 days. The correct answer is 90 days. Question number 4. A person aggrieved by an order of the Director General awarding any punishment can apply to the federal government for revision within dash days of the order. Option 1, 15 days. Option 2, 30 days. Option 3, 45 days. Option 4, 60 days. The correct answer is 30 days. Question number 5. In case military assistance is called, all members at the airport aerodrome shall function in accordance with the directions of dash. Option 1, Director General. Option 2, Senior Officer. Option 4, Military Authority. Option 4, Station Master. The correct answer is Military Authority. Today we are covering repeated and most important MCQs on security measures for Assistant Director ASF, and this is the second part of this series of 100 MCQs. To support us, please like this video, do comment and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe Conceptual Learning Academy. Thank you. Question number 6. The federal government can delegate his powers under ASF Act 1975 to dash. Option 1, Federal Minister Aviation Division. Option 2, Director General ASF. Option 3, Defense Minister. Option 4, Interior Minister. The correct answer is Director General ASF. Question number 7. The federal government can delegate all of his powers under ASF Act 1975 to the Director General ASF except Option 1, power to make rules. Option 2, power to make regulations. Option 3, power to use arms and ammunition. Option 4, none of the above. The correct answer is power to make rules. Question number 8. The Director General can delegate any of his powers under ASF Act 1975 to dash with approval from federal government. Option 1, higher authorities. Option 2, an officer of grade 20 or above. Option 3, his friend. Option 4, any officer or authority subordinate to him. The correct answer is any officer or authority subordinate to him. Question number 9. Any order passed by any officer of the ASF which is authorized under the Pakistan Army Act 1952. Option 1 can be reviewed by Director General. Option 2 can be set aside by Supreme Court. Option 3 can be reviewed in Supreme Court. Option 4 can be reviewed in High Court. The correct answer is can be reviewed by Director General. Question number 10. If a member of ASF deserts, who will be requested to capture the deserter? Option 1, civil authorities. Option 2, Pakistan Army. Option 3, ISI. Option 4, FIA. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सिविल अथॉरिटीज। इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है कि अगर एएसएफ का कोई भी मेंबर, चाहे वो कांस्टेबल हो या कोई भी ऑफिसर हो, वो भाग जाए, भगोड़ा हो जाए ड्यूटी से, सर्विस से, तो उसको पकड़ने के लिए किसको कहा जाएगा? इसका आंसर दिया गया है सिविल अथॉरिटीज़, मतलब कि जो पुलिस होगी, लोकल पुलिस होगी या उस जगह की पुलिस होगी, उसको ये जिम्मेदारी सौंपी जाएगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, for inbound international flights, a passenger may carry liquids more than airport security force liquids rule allows in the carry-on bag if option 1 they are in transparent containers, option 2 passenger bought them at a duty free shop where it is packed in a secure tamper evident bag, option 3 passenger is traveling internationally to the USA with a connecting flight, option 4 all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. इस क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है कि इन तीनों केसेस में जो कि ऑप्शन में दिए गए हैं, कोई भी लिक्विड कैरी कर सकता है उससे ज़्यादा जो कि एयरपोर्ट सिक्योरिटी फोर्स के रूल्स में अलाउ है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12, how many ounces are travel sized containers limited to dash? Option 1 4, option 2 3, option 3 3.4, option 4 2.8. The correct answer is 3.4. Question number 13. Children dash and under can leave their shoes, light jackets, and headwear on during screening. Option 1 10, option 2 12, option 3 13, option 4 8. The correct answer is 12. 12 या उसके कम एज वाले जो बच्चे होते हैं वो अपने शूज़, लाइट जैकेट्स और हेडवियर वगैरह पहन सकते हैं स्क्रीनिंग के दौरान। Question number 14. Which of the following items is allowed as a carry-on item? Option 1 scissors, option 2 safety razor with blades, option 3 disposable razor, option 4 drill bits. The correct answer is disposable razor. Disposable razor is allowed है carry-on item के तौर पर। Question number 15. Which of the following typical food items is prohibited as a carry-on item? Option 1 pie, option 2 cranberry sauce, option 3 bread, option 4 turkey. The correct answer is cranberry sauce. Question number 16. Under special circumstances, a person can bear arms and ammunition with him or her. Is it true or false? The correct answer is true. स्पेशल सर्कमस्टांसेस में कोई भी पर्सन जो कि अलाउड हो वो बियर कर सकता है आर्म्स एंड अमुनेशंस को अपने साथ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 17. A passenger could be asked to remove head coverings and other religious, cultural, or ceremonial items on during screenings. Is it true or false? Yes, is it true? It is true. Question number 18. ASF does not require children under 18 to provide identification when traveling with a companion within Pakistan. Is it true or false? It's true. कोई भी बच्चा जो कि 18 साल से कम उम्र का हो और उसके साथ कोई भी साथी जा रहा हो, पाकिस्तान के अंदर ही सफ़र कर रहा हो, पाकिस्तान के किसी भी हिस्से से किसी भी दूसरे हिस्से तक सफ़र कर रहा हो, तो उसके आइडेंटिफिकेशन प्रोवाइड करना ज़रूरी नहीं है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. A passenger forgot his her identification and she still can proceed through security screening. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. पैसेंजर अपना आइडेंटिफिकेशन लाना भूल गया तो तब भी सिक्योरिटी स्क्रीनिंग को प्रोसीड कर सकता है अगर वो क्या करे, by providing additional information which would be verified by the clearing staff. Question number 20. An e-cigarette is allowed in a check bag only. True or false? It's false. E-cigarette allowed नहीं है check bag में भी। Please like, share and subscribe Conceptual Learning Academy